Today I discuss difference between distance and displacement. Okay, first I am going to discuss what is the difference between distance and displacement. Okay, for example, this is the Hyderabad Uppal. Nana Hyderabadu Nana. Okay, this is your Karimnagar, Ahi Krishna, your Karimnagar. Okay, Hyderabadu, Karimnagar. In the situation, Nana, okay, we move Hyderabad to Karimnagar. One is the bus traveling here, Nana. Hyderabad to Karimnagar. Bus traveling in this path, Nana. One village to other village, one village to other village, finally to reach Karimnagar. Look here, Nana. Here bus moves Hyderabad to Karimnagar in this direction, Nana. Here total length covered by the body. This is known as distance. Okay. Once again I repeat. What is the distance? Total path covered by the body. Once again I repeat. Distance is nothing but the total length of the path. Total length of the path covered by the body is known as distance. Okay, and simple ga bus travel aina total length ni edo antaru nana distance antaru. Okay na, distance means total length of the path covered by the body is known as distance. Okay, nana mari look here nana. Distance nana. Next nana Hyderabad to Karimnagar straight ga podam. Okay na. Idigo nana shortest distance. Idega ippudu shortest distance between initial position and final position is known as displacement. What is the displacement? Once again, shortest distance between initial position and final position is known as displacement. What is the distance? Total length of the path covered by the body. Total length of the path traveled by the body is known as distance. Shortest distance between initial and final position is known as displacement. Here nana SI unit of distance is meter. Okay, SI unit of displacement meter. Distance anna displacement anna units nana total length kada length units meter. Next nana meeru observe cheste idi Hyderabad, idi Karimnagar. Bus ila travel ayindi ide kada. ఇది ఏదైనా స్పెసిఫైడ్ డైరెక్షన్ ఉందా? జిగ్ జాగ్ గా ఉంది. అంటే నో పర్టిక్యులర్ డైరెక్షన్ మూవ్డ్ బై ద బస్. సో no particular direction, so this is called scalar. Ante distance is also called as scalar. Mari shortest distance giste straight line vachindiga chudandi ikkada. A particular a specified direction is there. A specified direction is there. The physical quantity is known as vector. Simply distance is a scalar. ఎందుకు అంటే no specified direction, it moves zigzag. Mari a particular specified direction is there, that's why displacement is a vector. One important notice, distance is a scalar, displacement is a vector. Okay, an example number 1, look here none. Here body moves A to B in this path none. Okay, in this path A to B is 5 meters. Look here. Here what is the distance nana? Distance means body moving path. Here body moving along a straight line. Okay, so that's why here to here body traveling path is 5 meters. Okay, next, what is the displacement? Displacement definition is shortest distance between initial position and final position. That means nana idi initial, idi final, intakanna short untada undadu. Kabatti in the situation displacement also 5 meters. That means body moving a straight line, in this situation distance equal to displacement. What is the conclusion by using example? Body moving a straight line, in the situation distance equal to displacement. Distance means total path covered by the body and total path covered by the body. Displacement means shortest distance between initial and final position. Okay, vector ante specified direction, scalar ante no specified direction. Look here, another example. Here car moves a straight path 5 meters and again it moves B to C 2 meters. Okay, B to C 2 meters. Here what is the distance? Distance means total path covered by the body. Here to here what is the length? 5. Here to here what is the length? 2. Total path covered 7 meters. What is the displacement? What is the displacement? Displacement is, okay, it is a vector. Okay, in this direction suppose I take positive, in this direction I take negative. Mathematics తెలుసా? పాజిటివ్ x నెగటివ్ x ఆ లెక్కలో తీసుకోవాలి. ఇలా +5 అనుకో, ఇలా ఏమవుతుంది? -2. నెట్ ఎంత? 5 -2 = 3. Simply displacement is a vector to follow direction. In this direction I take positive, suppose in this direction I take negative, automatically +5 -2 = 3. Overall this problem according to definition, this is the A. Here A to C. A to C is the shortest. idega shortest. మరి ఇది కావాలి, ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడికి కావాలంటే this is the total length 5. Here to here 2. Automatically remaining length is what? 3. In this pattern also to solve. Okay. Example 3. 1 minute. What is the conclusion of example 1? Distance equal to displacement. Here distance more 7 వచ్చింది, displacement less. In this situation displacement is less compared to distance. Next example, look here. A body travels A to B 5 meters and again travel B to A again 5 meters. What is the distance? What is the distance according to question? Distance means total path. A to B, what distance? 5. B to A, what distance? 5. Total length 10. Displacement. One direction taken as positive, opposite direction taken as negative. In the situation, plus 5. In the situation, minus 5. Plus 5 minus 5 equal to 0. In the situation, displacement what happens? 0. But distance not equal to 0. That means starting A, ending A, starting, ending same. Displacement becomes 0. But distance can never be 0. Can never be 0. Next none. Fourth. Look here none. Here. A to B. Okay. 5 meters. Again body travel. B to C. 7 meters. In the situation, what is the distance? What is the distance? Total path covered by the body 5, 7. Total enta 12. Distance not follow the direction. What is the displacement? Ahi Krishna. What is the displacement? Look here. In this direction 5. Okay, in the opposite direction, minus 7 equal to minus 2. That means in the situation, displacement may be negative. In the situation, displacement may be 0. In the first example, displacement may be positive. That means displacement may be positive. Displacement may be 0, displacement may be negative. Kani distance chudu 10, 12. In the situation of 5, tarvata 7. Ante all are positive. Distance is always positive value. It cannot be 0. But displacement may be positive, may be 0, may be negative. Okay, this is the difference between the distance and displacement. Now look here. Example now. Okay, in the example now look here. The question is body moving circular path of radius r, okay, for quarter of the revolution, quarter of revolution. Find first one distance, second one displacement. Look here now. Look here now. In the situation, body moving a circular path now. Look here. In the circular path of radius, look here now. body moving a circular path, okay, of radius is r, okay. In the situation nana, in the situation body here start nana, here end nana, nana ikkada చూడండి జాగ్రత్తగా